Why we brought you here?
So after we do a video in the shop of my mom, we go there.
Yeah. So all this used to look like that.
Yeah.
And this land was, I think it was 8,000 or 5,000 a square meter. 5,000 a square meter. But the people who owns it wants you to buy the whole lot, whole plots, whatever. Now, the reason I'm videoing is you can see the piling rocks. Something big is going to be built on here, and Mel's been told it's going to be a miniature SM, and there.
Yeah, that's what they said. I don't know if it's true. The ghost pit.
Well, there's some guys over here. Let's go and ask them. Now, for about 2 or 3 months, there was big lorries coming in here and dropping all this down. They were ploughing over it. They weren't knocking this down, they were just pushing this stuff into it, this muck.
Over there, they build as well a health center. Over there, with near on the school.
Yeah, but it's a school as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there's been a brand new health center and a school over there.
Yeah.
I'm not going to have enough battery at the minute. I'll have to come back because my battery's going to run out, and we'll show you that. So the whole point of this is Naga. There's got to be money in Naga because there's lots of new builds, guys. Lots of new builds.
Yes.
There doesn't seem to be a lack of money, but rents are going up in Naga. House prices are going up. When we lived at Decker Homes, the house prices were 900,000 for a townhouse. They're 1,500,000 now for a townhouse, and I wouldn't pay that to live on Decker Homes. I'm sorry. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to ask these guys. Yeah. Kuya, what's going to be built here?
Ha? Gasolinahan. Ah, gasolinahan. Hindi na kabus? O dahil man, banga-banga. Building. Convenience store. Ano po? Convenience store. Convenience store. Sabi daw ay same. It's not SM. They're gonna make a gasoline station here.
Gasoline station?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. And then convenience store. Salamat kuya.
A convenience, thank you.
Convenience store.
Convenience store and gasoline station.
Yeah.
That's what we need, isn't it? Another convenience and a gasoline station. I tell you guys, you can't go far down a road without running into a gasoline station. I kid you not. Right, this is where we finished on the last video. Now look at it. It's got massive walls. Them walls are really high. They've got heavy equipment in again. They've just built the garage and convenience store there. As you can see, we'll walk over towards it.
They're selling as well, ano?
Selling...
Like the tools.
Like the what?
The sand, they sell at that.
Oh, they're selling that?
Yeah, look, there are aggregates available.
All right.
They sell them.
There you go then.
Ay, yak shit ah.
The same family guy, woman who owns that land over there that you saw in the last video.
That's not there.
No. Yes, a little bit. It's dry. They own this land as well. So somebody obviously bought it to build a garage, and they're selling aggregate by the looks of it as well. Now, because we might be kicked off that other piece of land, you know, for parking my car, Mel come and asked how much would it be to park the car here, because these are parking here regular.
Yeah.
50 pesos a day. A day. It's like, we can't afford that. I'm paying 600, and I thought that was over the top.
We pay there for parking fee 500.
Yeah, he's put it up to 6. I wasn't a happy bunny, but now I know the rent for this land, it's fine. Now, look, that 50 pesos a day to a foreigner is nothing, right? But to a Filipino, that doesn't earn much, it's a lot. To like us who's on a very, very small budget, it's a lot. So, you know, don't send messages like what usually happens when I say something's expensive. What I mean is it's expensive to Filipinos and to us.
There's a Filipino as well that afford, right?
Well, those Filipinos can afford it, yeah, because they're making a bit of money.
You can sit down here relaxing.
I didn't realise they were selling aggregate as well. See, that's what we could do with where our cars park. But now we don't know if we're going to have to move or not. It's not worth it. Because every time I clean the car and there's a bit of wet, I'm putting it all in the car and it's a waste of time. Then we were parked under trees, so the bird poo and everything was going on the car.
So now it's alright now?
Yeah, now it's fine.
Is that one canopy strong?
Not really. If there's a high wind, they'd probably take that.
Remove that, no, the cloth.
If they remove that, it should be alright, I guess.
So
There's a typhoon, I'd take it all down.
It's metal, right?
Yeah, but it depends if it's bolted into the roof or not. So there you go, guys. Things are happening fast in the Philippines. To say there's not a lot of money, there's always projects, you know, people renovating, people building.
Yeah.
But I'll finish this bit. I do not understand why the land is so expensive. I just don't understand it.
Because it's in the main city.
Yeah, but you've got other cities where the land's not that expensive.
You can get more cheaper if you go to the provinces.
Yeah, the
Because
further outside of Naga you go, the cheaper it gets.
It's far in, like a mall, like that.
Yeah. So that's it, guys. It was only a short video. I hope you've enjoyed it. To just bring you up to date on prices. You know, everything's going up in Naga, and I guess the rest of the Philippines. Rice, all the basic stuff is going up.
As well.
Yeah, fuel's going up.
Yeah.
Fuel's going up in price.
Up in
So it's still cheaper to live in the Philippines than the West, guys.
Yeah.
Because prices are going up even higher in the West. So you know.
Even there, they
Yeah, ridiculous prices. When I talk to my sister, she's always moaning, you know.
Don't come back here, Chris.
Yeah, don't come back, you know, the prices are ridiculous. I don't know how I'm going to manage, you know, blah, blah, blah. So that's it, guys. Again, hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next video.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Say bye. Say bye.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support. If you see you are not on the list, please let us know. Thank you. Aaron, Dr. Philippines, Anthony Neal, Kingsley, Dazlox, Gladio Atlantid, Zark Alfrey, Romeo Roma Santa, A Brit's Philippines Destination, Gladio Atlantid, Rick's Destination Cebu, Alvar Jitch, Vera Vildi, Scott Slavin, Brett Glazo, Stephen Baxter, Mira D, Brian Dawson, Jim Alvire, Didas Jornales, Paulo Svensson. Big thanks to all of you.